Hello everyone, today I will show you how to split cells in a table in Google Docs document. First open your Chrome browser and go docs.google.com and sign in your Gmail account. You can upload your file, this file picker option. Also you can create new file, select this plus icon. I will insert new table, select this insert option and select table. I will insert this table already inserted. Now I will split these cells. I will split these cells. Select and select right button. Here I will find this split cell option and select here. And this split cell on column and two row. Yeah. Now select split. This cell already splitted. This is already created two row and one column remain. Now I will split this cell and select cell and click right button and select a split cell. I will split this cell two column and one row. Now select split and this is. In this way you can split all of this cell as you like. Yeah. Now select this file option. You can download or email or share this file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.